What's up, guys? Hack is here, your builderall training support specialist and network marketing. I'm Alam, having a good day today. As you saw from yesterday, we created our page where we're going to now get people to go to our little e-learning. So we decided we're going to do the team training site inside e-learning. So what we're going to do this page is actually add inside the e-learning. If you didn't know that, well, now you know. You'll be able to do that here. And when they click access training, I'm actually going to change this. Instead of access training, I'll put it go to module 1. But we'll change that later. Let's actually go and create our e-learning. So let's go back to our office right here. And where is my e-learning? Right here. So let's click on e-learning. And what I'm going to do, let's open up and create a new course. Let's call this our team training. And then instruct the name, of course, me, category, network. Wait, no, let me do. And now it allows me to actually write my own add category. There you go. I would do network, or actually let's do an MLM company, right? Because this is going to be for your MLM company. So let's press OK. So there you go. Let's press next. And let's put a image. I think I have one here that I made. Let me see. You know what? For now, I'm spending too much time trying to find it. So let's just leave that blank for now. And let's create new course. All right, so here is what this course is about. Okay, so you can write whatever you want right here. And then outgoing emails. So the outgoing emails, we connected a domain, right? You always want to connect the domain to all your funnels. So for me, I'm just going to do contact at simplestadvertising.com. Okay, this is where the emails are going to go when they get an email. So let's now do instructor. We already have that. You can put a picture of yourself, right, or your team logo if you have one. Is this registration protected? Registration required to view content. Okay, or some lessons require registration, or no registration is required. Since we're not going to put this inside a membership area, right? We're just going to have them register to this e-learning. So registration is required to view content. Okay. Social proof, you can add social proof to this as well. We're not going to add that. URL to navigate on logout. So where do you want them to go if they log out? So when they press log out, maybe you can send them to, a basic homepage that you could create for your team, or maybe just leave it blank and it's not gonna take them anywhere. But that is up to you. So we're gonna leave this blank for now. Automatically activate new register users. So I'll leave that like that. Now this is important if you want to use it. If you have connected a domain and maybe you added this e-learning straight onto your domain, right, your website. And what I mean by that is that you did this, you went to Cheetah Builder and you put your e-learning inside an iframe. Okay, that's what I mean. So if I were to, let's say I open this, let's just open this just to show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so this right here is an iframe, right? Our video. Say I wanted to add e-learning here, which of course you wouldn't make it this tiny and small, but you can your e-learning here way when you share your e-learning with your team, give them a simple domain, right? You wouldn't give them a long link because that's what it's going to give you. So let's save. And if you see, this is the code that you would, well, not the code, the URL that you would give your team so that they can go and actually access the training. But like I said, you wouldn't want something like this, right? Maybe something nice and pretty like this, and then the e-learning, which is be over here, right? Imagine this is not here, none of this stuff. So you could do it that way. And that would be the best way. All right, but I'm back. So we have e-learning, and that is the code, and we'll put that later on an iframe. But let's just first build the simple e-learning modules and so on. So here we go, we have the modules. So there's nothing right here. So let's add modules. And we have module 1. Yeah, module 1. What 1? And this is about, right, joining the business. And then let's add another module, module 2, about getting traffic. Right, I'm just making stuff up. So inside the modules, you need lessons. So lesson 1 would be, let's see, setting up your auto ship. Because most network marketing companies have an auto ship correctly. So you want to show them how to do that. And then you can put, content here. And preferably, people like to watch videos. I know I'm a visual guy, so I will watch a video that you would use from the video manager right here. Let's just pick a random video. Let's do Eric's funnel. No autoplay, controls allowed, and create lesson. And then let's do a lesson on module 2. Add lesson. This is create a YouTube channel. The content is going to be from the video manager. And let's do replay MLM presentation. Let's do that and create. So there we go. So we have 2 modules with 1 lesson in each. Okay, let's press save. Then let's get the code, copy it, and let's go back to Cheetah. Oh, and one more thing actually before I go back to Cheetah. So this page, like I said, is going to take them to lesson 1. So what we need actually get, where's the e-learning? Right here. Let's actually get in to the e-learning. So I'm gonna, let's click on module 1 and lesson 1. And it says it's locked, but that's okay. So let's grab this link up here. So that's the link to the first module and the first lesson. Each lesson has its own link. If you see up here, it changed. So I'm gonna click on module 1, lesson 1. I'm gonna right click, copy. Let's go back to Cheetah, which I'm here. And here we said it's going to say access level 1, access training, module 1. Go to, let's call it, just do module 1, yeah. Go to module 1. And let's do set link. And we're going to do web and right click, paste. open in the same tab. We don't want it to open in a new tab because then it's gonna give off, it's gonna take off the effect of, transitioning to the link, which is um module, right? Module 1. All right, so we save that, and you'll see what and what we're going to do in a bit. Why this? Because I said that we are going to actually put e-learning, the e-learning, this page inside the e-learning. So we need the link actually. So we're going to go to the 3 dots, go to website, select this, cut. We can close this, and we can close this too. And we can even close this already because we already saved it. Go back to the e-learning, and then right here where it says look up, you see it has certain themes for your what you call it, your e-learning look, right? So you can enter the editor, but before that, you see here it says main page. Choose what to display on the main course page. So this is standard, but I want an iframe. So we do this and put the URL right here of that page. Okay. And then this is the way that the website e-learning is going to look. And maybe we want it yellow, purple, vertically, horizontal. This way looks nice. Boxed, and or maybe full width. Let's do boxed. And let's see. Oops, no. This one. Let's see. I think that one's good. Or let's try this one. Okay, let's try this one. This one looks nice. And the color, this is indigo, maybe teal. Yeah, teal looks cool. Now, the thing is you want to keep the colors of, whatever colors you picked for your previous website, right? Your previous funnel. So if you had green in your funnel because, the branded colors of your company are green, then you want to keep the consistency of, all right, now on my e-learning website, there's green as well. All right, so that's it. We're good. Let's close this. And I forgot to do something. I didn't save it. The teal. We set this one and box and save default. And now use custom back. Enable custom scroll bar. That's okay. Okay, so we're good here. All right, let's go back. Allow students to edit themes. I don't want them to edit the theme. Display progress of the lesson. Yeah. And then this is the favicon for your course. What is the favicon? That is the little icon that you see up here. I forgot to turn on my little cursor thing so I can zoom in. But actually, I could zoom in. Just let me see. Give me a second, guys. Okay, cool. All right, so this worked. So you see up here where it says virtual office on the left side. Wait, let me move this out of the way. But you see there next to virtual, there's the little builderall logo. That is the favicon. So that you can change it. Just make sure it is the 16 by 16. Okay, make sure it's that size. So let's save. We're not gonna add any favicon. Now let's get the embed code. Wait, you guys weren't seeing that. I forgot to zoom it back out. Let me go to the software, zoom out. Yeah, this little setup that I have, it's cool, but I have to have both of my screens. So there we go. There. It's back to normal. So yeah, so what I meant was here, where it says 16 by 16, make sure it's that size so that it works and so that it looks good. And we're done over here. We have the lessons, how many. If you have a certificate and test, you can add that here. And let's just save again, just to be sure, and get the embed code. And this is the embed code. So we're going to get this. Let's go back to Cheetah. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new page. This page is going to be blank. So let's name this the team, well, sort caps, team e-learning. Let's just name it that. Simple, easy to remember. Okay, there we go. And we want a blank page, so let's leave everything normal. Please check required fields. Oh, title, the team e-learning. I was going too fast and too furious. All right, so in here, team e-learning. And we're almost done with today's video. I don't want it to make it that long like yesterday. Because if I make them too long, my software starts acting up and I noticed that there were some sound issues and it just starts lagging. So we're almost done. We're 18 minutes. So right here, let's add a panel. Blank. We don't need this, so let's delete it. Yes. And what we need is an iframe. So let's go to iframe and drag and drop it. Let's make sure we remove that border to 0 and nothing right here. And then now, oh, I didn't right click. So that sometimes happens to me when I'm trying to work too fast. Right, I see the panel stuff here, but I didn't realize that I didn't not left, right click on my object so that it can say iframe up here. So here we want no border and 0 in the border design, blank. And then this you can leave it like that because there's no border anyways, as you can see. But now the only way you can see it is if you hover over it. So I guess that's why, like I said, that they decided to do that, to always have a border. And unfortunately, a lot of people forget to take off the border. I've seen websites, builderall websites, that people have iframes. So let's add the e-learning. We want it to be full width. And let's enter the URL of e-learning. The I had copy paste, so let's copy it again. I copy paste the words team training. All right, there we go. So it is full width. Now what we need to do is make it longer. Well, not longer, taller. So size, height, and you're gonna make this bigger too. Usually, the size. Can't even get to it. Hold on. Okay, so a good panel size right here. Usually, the height about 1,000 or 900. Let's check 1,000. There. All right, let's scroll back up. Put this back up there. All right. I think it's good. Yeah, it's perfect. We don't need to make it any bigger. And as you can see, there's nothing else there anyway. So let's save it. And that's fine. So let's go back over here. All right, so let's go here to our team e-learning. And now the only, I guess, downside, yeah, is that since we made it boxed, the iframe here that of the website, it's the mobile version. Well, technically tabs. It's on step 2. You don't see here on the side. Remember we had on the desktop version, we had some stuff here, the little arrow, click here. So now when I click on go to module 1, if I click it, you see refresh and it says it's locked because I haven't registered. So let's register. Let's do this. Already have an account name, Gene, and create an account. Okay. All right, so I created an account. So let's go back again. All right, so now let's see. Let's do that. Go to module 1. Okay, maybe we have to log in, maybe. Okay. Let's try this again, see if this works. If not, that means we just have to change things. Okay. Did it work? Is this a website inside a website? Yeah, it is. Okay. All right, so maybe we can't do it that way. I thought it would work, but what it did is just put the website, this website, the one that we're in, inside the iframe. Okay, so don't do it that way, guys. As you can see, I'm always learning too and trying new things. And I decided to try something new with you guys here. So this is how it's supposed to actually look. Right, so we have it like this. What you want to do is that button to take you to one. Okay. But you see the website looks, and what we want to do instead of having box version, we would have the big full. That way, our website created able to see like the walk. It's not the mobile view or laptop, not laptop, top. Oh my god, tablet. I don't know why I blanked out. We want it to be not the tablet or mobile version of the website. So let's go back to the e-learning. And before we go back to the e-learning, let's make sure we fix that so that if someone clicks on that button, it doesn't actually take them to the module. So we might just not add no there, period. Let's see. So we have step 2, opens that up. And whatever you're going to do, so what you could do is maybe this takes them to the back office of your MLM. So what happened? Where's it lagging? Okay, here we go. So we would do open in a new tab, and then we can send them somewhere else. So maybe we'll send them to, the builderall back office. So it's office dot builderall.com and select. All right, 26 minutes. Oh no. All right, guys. So yeah, that's it. We got this. We save it. Let's change the e-learning. So instead of that boxed version that we selected, we're going to use the full view, which is full width. Here we go. All right, so that's good. And of course, don't forget to save. All right, so we save, let's republish here. Let's close Cheetah here, this, and this. And did I save it? Yes, pretty sure I did. All right, now let's go and check it out. So I'm already logged in. They get to see this. See, now it's the full desktop version of this right here. And they can go to step 2. Then go to, well, we got to change this. Instead of going to module 1, it can say go to your back office. And it opens up the back office for builderall or whatever opportunity that you're doing. And then they can go to module 1, see module 1, right? They'll watch the video.
If a guy like
Okay. Then they go to the next module. They watch that video. Hey everyone, Jihan. And that's it, guys. That's
here
how
with the build
simple it is for them to
builderall
create.
team. And in this video, I'm
There we go. Paused it.
going
It's
to show
starting
you how to use the
lag
URL
already.
shortener.
Yeah. You definitely need to take the Sugi squad, which I'm gonna be doing that this Friday. Cause I'm not much of a Mac user. I mean, I have a Mac, but I don't know how to fix them up too much. So I'll just let the professionals deal with it. But yeah, guys, that's it. We have the team training site in e-learning, and now all you have to do is just add your modules, your lessons, and so on. And it's that simple. All right, guys. So that's it. Hope you guys have an awesome day today, and don't forget, let's go build it with builderall. Good night, guys. Peace.